When starting a raw food diet, people should begin gradually, with one meal a day, and slowly building up to about 70 to 90% raw. Some people may go up to 100% raw, although this can be difficult. Start by having a typical dinner such as a salad with a cooked vegetable side dish such as potatoes or yams, and gradually decrease the number of times per week you allow yourself cooked vegetables or baked grains, or cooked meats, if you eat meat. Be sure your diet is simple for you to do, as an extremely complicated plan is not likely to be followed for very long. Welcome. This channel aims to help you become more informed and improve your health and fitness endeavors. As you stay tuned, you'll discover new and quickly noteworthy hints that will enable you to achieve your health and wellness objectives. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification bell to get informed whenever a video is being released. So, let's get right into it. Some things you should look out for is that going on a raw food diet can be compared to a detoxification effect, and as your body adjusts to this new diet and the new things happening in your digestion and the change in available nutrients and fats, there may be some side effects. You may experience slight headaches, sensations of nausea, and depression in a mild form. You should consult a doctor or nutritionist if these symptoms or other side effects continue. If these effects start, you may wish to slow down your change to the raw food diet to allow your body more time to adjust. To start a raw food diet, an important first step is meal planning. You will need to carefully plan your meals to include foods that will cover all your dietary needs. Remember that if you plan all your meals carefully to meet your body's needs, you should not have to be concerned about cravings. Our bodies naturally crave salt and sugar, because they cannot make them themselves. But a variety of foods can provide your body with everything it needs. If you cannot get enough of a variety, you may want to consider a supplement. After all, the whole point of going on any diet is to improve your health, not to cause a nutritional deficiency or a health risk. You will need to have a few basic things in your kitchen. It's no longer the oven, the stove, and the microwave. So you'll need things such as a juicer, also called a juice extractor, a blender, sharp knives, or just a sharp knife. A butcher's steel is also useful. You'll need large containers for sprouting sprouts, more than one would be handy, and dehydrator. Some raw foodists will not use these, as the high temperature implies cooking. You may already own these kitchen tools and appliances, otherwise, you may want to invest in them. You might find yourself in need of them as time goes on. A juicer can make it much easier for you to ingest your raw food, especially at the beginning of your diet. A blender will help you to create different recipes and flavors, while a dehydrator will allow you to make simple bread and flavorful treats. While these methods do not allow you to enjoy food in its completely natural state, it does allow you to try out different flavors and textures, which can make the raw food diet easier and faster for a lot of people. More health and wellness tips would be discussed in our next video. So, if you enjoyed the video, drop your comments in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now it's the time to do so and turn on the notification bell to get informed whenever a video is being released.